Quezonians, our Mutiana Quezon fourth runner-up is...
So, sino sa tingin nyo ang ating Mutianang... Sasabihin ko sana Mutianang Palawan, I'm sorry. Mutianang Quezon 2025 fourth runner-up. Who do you think, Quezonians? Out of the 7 sila, so sino sa tingin nyo ang fourth runner-up for this year, Mutianang Quezon 2025?
The fourth runner-up is candidate number... Step forward, it's you, candidate number 9.
Congratulations, candidate number 9 for
Miss
winning.
January Joy Camarines.
Yes, Mutianang Quezon 2025 fourth runner-up. Congratulations, Barangay Suangan, for winning the Mutianang Quezon 2025 fourth runner-up. Mutianang Quezon third runner-up is candidate number 13, Wilmish Eliazar.
And this is to be presented by Miss Grace Red and Attorney Nisor Nahine and the Barangay Chairman of the winning candidate. Sponsor, Miss Sheena Yee.
Congratulations once again, our Mutianang Quezon third runner-up is candidate number 13, Wilmish Eliazar.
And second runner-up is you, candidate number... Candidate number 12, sa Idea Arcuyo of Barangay Aramay 1.
Congratulations, candidate number 12, our Mutianang Quezon 2025 second runner-up.
And we are calling the Barangay Aramay 1 officials.
We only have 4 young ladies here with us. So, sino sa tingin nyo ang ating Mutianang Quezon 2025 first runner-up? Ladies, all of you are one step closer to the crowd. Congratulations, candidate number... Our Mutianang Quezon 2025 first runner-up is candidate number 14, Red Peter. She is sponsored by Victor Quezon. And up next, partner, we have Mutianang Quezon 2025 Kalikasan. Grabe, our top 7 finalists, walang tawon, all of them will bring a crown or will make home a crown partner.
Mutianang Quezon 2025 Kalikasan. Mutianang Quezon 2025 Kalikasan is you, candidate number... Step forward, it's you, candidate number 8, Eliza Margaret Tabate and Barangay Pilugan.
Congratulations, candidate number 8!
And the award is to be presented by Honorable Maribel Alcantara together with Irish Cervantes.
And also for everyone's opinion. Among 14 London candidates, dalawa na lang ang natira. And who do you think our Mutyanan Quezon 2025? Sino sa tingin nyo sa kanilang dalawa? Ang Mutyanan Quezon 2025. Partner, papatagalin pa ba natin to?
And ano partner?
Our Mutyanan Quezon 2025 is candidate number Our Mutyanan Quezon 2025 is you, candidate number 1.
SK Alfonso Trece. And that means our Mutyanan Quezon 2025 Turismo is candidate number 2, Marjorie Catayong from
Maraming salamat for joining us here and congratulations to all our winners and to all our candidates. All of you really did your best to be here tonight. And now, the moment of true glory, our newly crowned Mutyanan Quezon 2025 SK Alfonso Trece will take her first walk. Let us all witness this remarkable beginning of her break.